Kilalanin natin ang isa sa lead characters ng serye na gagampanan ni Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards. Kung bakit challenging yet inspiring ang role para kay Alden, alamin sa chika ni Nelson Canlas.
Ngayon pa lang ako nagsisimulang mangarap. Hindi ako papanig sa mga Amerikano o sa mga Hapon.
Siya ang kuya ng grupo.
Bakit kailangan yung idama yung mga inosente?
Ang tatayo para makipaglaban sa himagsikan. Si Eduardo de la Cruz ng Pulang Araw. Gagampanan ni Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards, ang Filipino-American na kapatid sa ina ni Adelina Barbie Fortesa. At ang iibig kay Teresita na gagampanan naman ni Sanya Lopez.
Kung masasaktan ko lamang aking mga magulang, Eduardo.
Ang proyektong ito, hinamon daw ang pagiging artista ni Alden.
Napakahirap pong gawin ng Pulang Araw. From the set to the costumes to the lines. Chine-check namin every now and then kung period correct ba yung mga ginagawa namin. To the slippers, to the buttons of the shirt, ganun kadetalye.
Pati nga yung mga hindi nakikita, di ba? Pati yung mga panloob.
Pati panloob.
Ito, fun fact ng Alden. Bago sumalang si Alden, nilalagyan siya ng freckles.
Yun, ultimo yun. Kailangan consistent kasi syempre sa tight shots makikita siya.
Makakauwi na tayo.
Maninibagong araw ang mga manunood sa Alden sa Pulang Araw.
It's very unusual for me to say lines sa malalim na Tagalog na pamamaraan. Removing the boy next door look na nakasanayan ko, which was my safe zone. And yun din yung somehow reinvention ko. Yan, kagaya niyan, ang dumi-dumi ko sa mga eksenang yan. It helps with the characterization din kasi, parang, para maiba.
Meron kang OCD eh.
Yes,
diba?
yes, I do
How's
have.
that for you?
When I become the character kasi, all of the traits Alden has is parang set aside muna. It's not about me, it's about the character. Siyempre, hindi ka pwede mag-OCD ng 1940s, Sir Nelson.
Gera eh.
Gera yan eh. Survival.
Ipangako mo sa akin.
May mga pagkakatulad nga rin daw sila ni Eduardo na isang matapat, maprinsipyo at handang ipaglaban ang mga mahal niya.
Siguro yung loyalty. I think loyalty is one of our common traits and at the same time, we fight for the people that we love.
Sa tindi ng mga eksena, hanga raw si Alden sa talento ni na Dennis Trillo, Barbie Fortesa at Sanya Lopez. Nagulat din daw siya sa ipinakitang performance ni pambansang ginoo David Licauco.
Alam mo, I had an interview with David Licauco at grabe daw, na-intimidate daw siya nung magka-eksena kayo.
Bakit naman?
Nagalingan siya sa'yo.
Hindi. Si David, ito talaga parang, siguro sa aming lahat, si David yung pinakamalaki yung tinalon in terms of performance, in terms of portraying his character. Yun yung masarap sa pakiramdam na lahat kami nagwo-work, lahat kami nagtatrabaho eh. So with his performance and kapag nakaka-eksena ko siya, dumating ng prepared.
Isang malaking karangalan daw para kay Alden ang makasama sa Pulang Araw. Umaasa siya na sa pamamagitan nito ay makitang muli ng mga Pilipino ang pagmamahal sa isa't isa at sa ating bansa.
The Philippines has a lot of stories to tell. Not only sa ating mga Pinoy but also to the whole world. And our culture is very colorful. We are such resilient individuals.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.
Puno ng pasasalamat si global fashion icon Heart Evangelista sa pagpapatuloy ng kanyang kapuso journey sa kanyang muling pagpirma ng kontrata sa GMA Network. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Today is Heart Kapuso Day. And in true Heart Evangelista fashion, mala-romantic rendezvous ang kanyang contract signing. Thus served naman ng global fashion icon na very grateful sa pagtupad ng GMA Network sa marami niyang pangarap.
I think I have gone far because I've always been grateful for the people that helped me when I had nothing. So maraming salamat. The good and the bad. I'm so grateful. I am who I am because of all of you here today. And I will never forget that. It is very rare to be with people that will not just give you roles, but will actually allow you to celebrate the biggest role, which is being myself. And not just by being myself, but they actually gave me wings that I can do whatever I want. So thank you so much to GMA.
Ang renewal of contract ni Hart, pinangunahan ni na GMA President and CEO Gilberto Arduavit Jr. EVP and Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalong at GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez.
Dumaan sa pagiging artista, pagiging host, influencer, na lahat halos ng brand nasa sakop. All categories, including luxury, global or international brands. I mean, how proud could a Kapuso be that you are a Kapuso? Palakpakan na. You are an example in perseverance, hard work, passion for your work, for your advocacies. You are the quintessential role model in what you do.
We know that she's one of the world-renowned influencer, and we're so happy that she will continue to be with GMA.
Her contribution goes beyond her talent. It's her class, her sophistication. It's how she has contributed to the image of GMA that is also very impactful to us.
Kabilang din sa mga pumirma sa kontrata, sina SVP for Entertainment Group Lilibet G. Razonable at Vice President for Entertainment Group's musical variety format and manager ni Hart na si Gigi Santiago Lara. Present din sina SVP for Corporate Strategic Planning and Business Development, Concurrent Chief Risk Officer and Head of Program Support, Reggie C. Bautista. Chief Marketing Officer and Head of Sales and Marketing Group, Lisel G. Maralag, at iba pang mga opisyal ng GMA.
Magandang makita ulit siya sa primetime, sa drama, na makakamiss na rin kasi siya sa TV.
I Left My Heart in Sorsogon noong 2021, ang huling proyekto ni Hart on TV. Kaya sa pag-upo niya sa GMA Integrated News Interviews after her contract renewal, tinanong namin siya, masusundan na kaya ito?
Hopefully, maybe with a really good script, I can. But at this moment, parang feeling ko we will try to do something else kasi parang hindi na po ako makakatulog noon. Hindi na po ako nakakatulog ngayon. I'll be working with GMA, something na bago naman, na I don't think that has ever been done before. So hopefully, soon.
Spin.
Hindi kaya eh, hindi pwede na.
Ano naman kaya ang dream project ni Hart?
Meron ka bang wish list? In case na magkaroon ka ng oras, yun lang naman talaga yung problema.
Wish list? Sana meron tayong all-star cast. Ang hirap nun. Something impossible.
Si
But that would
Alden,
be
very vocal.
Alden, Marian, Madame Bea, lahat. I would love to work with all of them given a chance.
Sobrang thankful daw si Hart now that she is still a Kapuso.
Naniniwala ako sa utang na loob at hindi nababayaran. And I'm very, very grateful. And when you're very grateful with everything you have, wala ka na pang gusto sa buhay. Kumbaga, kontento ka na. And GMA has given me that feeling of contentment. And I have a home.
Subaybayan ang karugtong ng interview ni Hart. May isang bagay ang nakapagpaluha sa global fashion icon.
Yeah, because I really believe in that. I really believe in that. And I'm so grateful. Actually, I forgot about that. I'm grateful that I was able to live.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happening.